About to take off and everybody want it. They've been waiting for this moment. We've been keeping it 100. We don't know about nothing less. It ain't real unless we done it. We've been cooking like a chef. That's why Eric.
What's up, you all? So this is the next video. Well, I don't know how I'm going to release these videos today. I just know I need to get them all out today. But yeah, this video, your spouse is longing for you. And let me tell you something. Was it yesterday? No, the day before yesterday. What's today? Today is Friday. So Wednesday, and this is the second or third time, y'all, this year that this has happened to me. Wednesday, I had such a longing for my spouse that I wanted to cry. Like the type of cry where your husband leaves you and goes on a trip and he comes back and it's like, oh my God, I missed you so much. Listen, I'm talking about, I can't even describe the longing. I felt that thing in my soul. Like it just a heavy longing. This is the second or third time this has happened this year. And I'm like, God, what is wrong with me? Like what is this? Like, I don't want love awakened before it's time and all of that. Let me tell you something. God said, this isn't love being awakened before it's time. This is a love awakening because it's time. He told me to tell you the feeling that some of you all have been having, mind you, prophetic word, not for everybody. If it's for you, it's for you. The feeling that some of you all have been having, male and female, of longing for your spouse is feeling the same thing. So your spouse is feeling the same thing. And when you all come together, when you meet, watch what I say. Y'all gonna have a testimony around the same time how y'all were feeling these deep longings for one another. And the Lord said it's because this is divine. This marriage thing is not just about the wedding. It's not just about having legal sex. The Lord says this is divine. He is doing divine connections, kingdom marriages. This is for purpose. This is for kingdom work. There is no way. Some of you all, there is so much that you have to do. And in order for you to get to your next level, you have to have a spouse. There are some things that you have to have a partner, a husband or a wife, depending on if you're male or female. You literally, in order to get to your next level, you have gotten to the place that you can go by yourself, the peak that God wanted you to reach while you were unmarried. Some of you, you've reached that peak. And it seems like, so it seems like that you're kind of hitting a glass ceiling when it comes to certain things. No, baby, you just need a partner. More than a prayer partner, you need your spouse. So I'm telling you now, the Lord told me to tell you all to pray whenever you feel like that. Well, you need to pray for your spouse anyway. And one of my friends confirmed that she's been feeling the same thing. Listen, whenever y'all start feeling like that, try to pray every day. But whenever you start feeling like that, stop in that moment and pray for your spouse because they are feeling the same thing. There's an acceleration coming. I know I said on one video, some of you all need to cancel the engagement, and it is so. That's the word of the Lord, because some of you, it's not time yet. But others of you, there's an acceleration. There is a wind. So there is a wind of God that's about to hit your love life. We can trust God with everything else, but it's time to trust him with your love life. So I'm telling you now, some of y'all might not want to hear this, but listen. When it happens, just come back and sow a seed. Now, you know I don't bother y'all about seeds. Come back and sow. When this thing manifests, come back and say, Renisha, you know what, girl, I'm about to sow a seed right now because you ain't lied. Renisha, when I heard the video, I wanted to cuss you out. I ain't want to hear nothing you was saying, but girl, this thing manifested quicker. I'm telling you, sow a seed, and I want some save the date magnets to put on my refrigerator. You don't have to invite me to the wedding, okay? If you want to invite me virtually, that would be cool. But you don't have to invite me to the wedding. Please send me the save the date magnet so I can put it on my refrigerator. Because this is the word of the Lord. It is so, and it shall not be otherwise. Your spouse is a longing for you. You need to pray for them. You need to cover them and prepare yourself because it's happening. It's happening. It's happening. Bye, y'all. It's happening.